Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful motif which is titled Daisy Cluster Motif. It starts with 3 DC clusters, 2 DC clusters, and it has all stitches. It has chain, single crochet, half double, double crochet, etc. Okay, up to double crochet. And I have used baby cake yarn 3032 to make this particular swatch. And the fifth round I did it just to give a enhancement. It is not actually included in the pattern given. Okay, so this is an SC round. I placed 4 SCs in every chain 4 space, and in the corners I did 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets. So it's as simple as that. You can make your own border all around. Okay, so let's go into the video without much delay, friends. Chain 5, and form a ring by slip stitching to the first chain, and then inside this ring place 8 single crochets. So let me mark the first single crochet. I should not be confused with my chain 1 here. This is my first single crochet, so it is always better to mark. So I think I've done 8 single crochets here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, now slip stitch to the first single crochet and join yes. Now in the same single crochet we need to place 3 DC cluster. Excuse me. Chain 3 and 2 incomplete DCs and finish the stitch. 1 2 3, chain 3 and 2 incomplete doubles, 1 and 2, and complete the cluster, and then chain 3. The chain 3 cluster, chain 3 cluster in single crochet, chain 3 cluster in 7 more times. So complete 7 more times and get back. I shall also complete and get back. Cluster here is 3 DC cluster. I have done 1 incomplete, second and third incomplete DC, and then complete the cluster. So chain 3. So this is how you continue. So 3 incomplete DCs and complete the cluster. I have completed 8 clusters. Now chain 3, slip stitch and join to the first cluster here. Now in this cluster we are going to make 1 cluster and go ahead the pattern for the third round. Chain 3 and make 1 incomplete double and complete, and then jump over to the next cluster. This is the stitch where you have to pick up. This is chain 3, so 2 DC cluster, chain 3, 2 DC cluster. Sorry, it is chain 5, I forgot. 1 2 3 we did 4 5, and in the same cluster make another 2 DC cluster. Okay, now make a 2 DC cluster in the next cluster. Sorry, chain 5, and 2 DC cluster in the same cluster. So every cluster of the previous round is going to have 2 sets of 2 DC clusters separated by chain 5 spaces. So continue in this pattern, and when we come to the end of the round, I shall meet you there. We've come to the end of this round here, and I have placed my last 2 DC cluster. Instead of chain 5 and joining over here, I'm going to do chain 2 and make a double crochet in the first cluster so that I get my working yarn to the center of the space. Now chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same space, chain 4 and make a double crochet under this chain 2 space here. Not that is the two loops. Chain 4 again, single crochet under chain 5 loop, chain 4, double under this these 2 loops here. That is, you're skipping the first you're skipping the next 2 DC cluster, and in the next 2 DC cluster you're placing your double. So this is how the pattern continues. Complete the pattern. I shall also complete and get back to you. We've come to the end of this round here, and to make it convenient I have marked the corners. So I have ended my slip stitch at this particular point, okay, where I had my single crochet, and the next one is a double crochet, then a single crochet, double crochet. So between these 2 double crochets I have marked my first corner, okay, and then skip next 2 double crochets, the second corner, skip the next 2 double crochets, the third corner, skip the next 2 double crochets, the fourth corner. So 4 corners are marked. This is in the form of a circle. Now we are going to convert it into a square unit. So we will be placing different varieties of stitches at different points, okay. So we have to do this little carefully. This is a single crochet here, so now chain 1 and yarn over, make a double crochet, half double here, half double on this particular single crochet, okay, chain 4 and on the double crochet make a single crochet, and next chain 4. At this point on this single crochet we are going to make 1 double crochet, chain 4, 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch here. So 1 double, chain 4, 1 double. Now chain 4 to go to the next side, and on this double you make a single crochet. So on the double crochets we are going to make single crochet, chain 4, and on the single crochet we are going to make half double crochet over. Chain 4, and next we have the double crochet. You're going to make a single crochet on it. We do all these different height stitches to straighten the edges and to make it appear like a square, and we have done the corner too here. Okay, this is the corner. Now we have come to the corner. Before going to the corner, chain 4, remove the stitch marker and place one double crochet, chain 4, and one double crochet. Chain 4 again, single crochet on the double crochet here. Chain 4, half double crochet on single crochet. Chain 4, single crochet on double crochet yarn, chain 4, we've come to the corner, place 1 double crochet, chain 4 double crochet, chain 4, we have a double here, so single crochet, chain 4, we have a single here, so half double crochet, chain 4, single crochet. Now we have come to the corner, so chain 4, double crochet, chain 4 double crochet, all in the same place, same stitch, chain 4 again. This is a self striping yarn I am using, so the color is changing on its own somewhere at some point. We have come to the last, the very first stitch we did here. So chain 4, slip stitch to the half DC we did, HDC we did. Here we go. We need to slip stitch and complete the round here. So here we have the daisy cluster square. We have completed the daisy cluster square. So it was a circle just one round before, and now it's become a square motif. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any queries, do post in the comment section. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, of course. And meanwhile, please do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like our videos and share them too. Have a great day friends. Bye for now.